In this video, we discuss or explain on how to integrate the inverse trigonometric function through this given the integral of sine inverse quantity of 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, so first we let z is equals to 2x plus 1, and then the derivative of 2x plus 1, that is the equivalent of our dz, no, which is d2 dx. Okay, so where dx is over 2. Okay, then so now we substitute from this the value of we change the given into z, and then dx into dz. Okay, so where sine inverse z, and then dx is dz over 2. Okay, so we write 1/2 here, then the integral out sine inverse then dz. So take note that in this integration of inverse, so I will show you on how to solve in this inverse problem without the use of the formulas and integration of inverse trigonometric. Okay, so first think that is we use the formulas of integration by parts. The integral of u dv, which is equivalent to uv minus the integral of v du. Okay, so that is, so this is we let u and dz is dv. Okay, so let u, which is sine inverse z, the derivative of sine inverse x, which is the equivalent to 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared, then du. Okay, this is the z, so we rewrite, so the square root of 1 minus z squared dz. Okay, so another we find the v, which is dv is equals to the dz. Okay, so we integrate that to obtain the equivalent of v, so therefore v is equals to z. Okay, so let's now substitute ang u as sine z, then times, then v is equals to z, then minus the integral of, which is ang v, which is z, ang du, which is over 1 minus z squared, then square root, no, dz. Okay, so now let u will be 1 minus z squared, and du, that is negative 2z dz. Okay, so where dz is equivalent to du. Okay, so that is the equivalent of sine inverse z, okay, times the z minus the integral of z. Okay, so times the 1 over, that is the square root of du. Okay, so the value of dz, which is du over negative 2z. Okay, so let's now cancel with this z. So sine inverse z times z. So negative, that is positive, we put positive here. Then 1/2 the integral of, we extract the square root. Okay, so 1 over square root of, or 1 over u to the power 1/2, or this portion is 1/2. Okay, when we raise 1/2, it is negative, no? Okay, that is negative. U to the power negative 1/2, then du sine inverse z, okay, times z, and then plus 1/2 u, that is negative 1/2, plus 1, another is negative 1/2, then plus 1. Okay, so plus c. We simplify, so negative inverse z, okay, times z plus the negative 1/2 plus 1, that is 1/2, and then makancel ang 1/2. Okay, so 1/2 here. Okay, makancel. So therefore the remaining is u to the power 1/2 plus c. So now length of u is 1 minus z squared, so substitute sine inverse z times z plus 1 minus z squared to the power 1/2. Okay, plus c. Next thing to do is substitute the value of z, 2x plus 1. Sine inverse is 2x plus 1. Okay, and then here we write this here, 2x plus 1. So here 1 minus plus 1, then squared, then I think it is a square root here, then plus c. So that's it. So this is the final answer of that following given inverse trigonometric. That's all.